This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, November 14th. I'm Adam Ray. The excitement is high as we approach the winter break as well as tomorrow's state playoff game. The defending state champion boys basketball team continues to roll as they defeated Norcom 66-60. Corey Hollis led the Commodores with 15 points. The Commodores advanced to the championship game of the Eastern District Kickoff Tournament. Yesterday, the Scholastic Bowl team swept their matches against Granby and Wilson, avenging two earlier losses this season. Now, here's Lily Bobby in the control room with what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Adam. Tonight, the boys basketball team takes on the Norview Pilots in the Eastern District Tournament Championship game. Game time is 7 p.m. at Norview. Tomorrow, the Region 5A champion Commodore football team battles Verada in the Class 5 semifinals. Kickoff is at noon on Saturday at Powhatan Field. The winner advances to next week's state championship game. Buy tickets early by visiting the Maury homepage. Tomorrow, the boys basketball team plays Meadowbrook in another tournament. Game time is 8 p.m. Back to you, Adam.
Thanks, Lily. The 2020 Commodore Yearbook is still on sale. Buy now for just $50. That's $10 off of the full price. This discount period lasts through the end of January. Buy early, it's cheaper. Now here's what's happening at MHS. One final note, congratulations to Maeve Stiles for being chosen as the Norfolk Sports Club 2019 Outstanding Metro Scholastic Girls Cross Country Award. That's a wrap for this broadcast of Commodore News. I'm Adam Ray. We'll see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend and go Commodores.
This has been a Commodore News Update.